Today we're making a smoothie bowl.
A peanut butter and jelly smoothie bowl.
Without peanuts.
So it's going to be extra healthy and extra delicious.
Hi, I'm Melissa West, and welcome to Yoga Lifestyle with Melissa. I'm here today with my friend Christine from Christine Salas. You have to go and check out her channel. And today she is here to make a smoothie bowl for us. So I am going to hand it over to her because she is the smoothie bowl creative genius today. I love what you come up with, so.
Thank you. Yes, I'm happy to be in charge of the smoothie bowl today. I'm obsessed with smoothie bowls. I eat one like pretty much every single day, and I like vary it a little bit, but I have like a certain combination that I just love. So I'm going to make it for you, and I hope that you love it too, and I hope you guys all love it too. So like I said, it's going to be peanut butter and jam or jelly, whatever. But today I'm not going to be using peanut butter. I'm going to be using pumpkin seed butter, which the roasted kind, I find it tastes a lot like peanut butter, similar like flavor. If you can totally use normal peanut butter if you want to. It's just that a lot of people are sensitive to peanuts, so I just thought, oh, we'll just make the peanut butter with make the recipe with like a peanut butter alternative. But go ahead and use regular peanut butter if you like regular peanut butter.
And this is so much healthier for you than
it is, yeah. It
like
has better fats in it, and there's more protein, less fat, actually a little more fiber, more vitamins and minerals. It's just a higher quality fat in my opinion, although there's nothing inherently wrong with peanuts, but we're gonna do this one today. Yeah. So for the jam aspect of it, we're going to use berries. I think we've got is that just raspberries or is it mixed? Yeah, perfect. Raspberries. We're going to use bananas, frozen bananas as a base with some protein powder and some almond milk. And then we're going to top it with something chocolatey and something kind of crispy and crunchy. We're going to use some bikinis or sprouted dried buckwheat. That'll be kind of like the bread portion of the smoothie bowl because you got to have like the peanut butter, you got to have the jam, you got to have the bread. So that's going to be like the bread portion. So are you ready? You want to get this started?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I usually put the liquid in the blender first. That's kind of a thing to do so everything kind of blends up properly. So I usually put in about a cup of almond milk. It's handy that there's a little measuring thing on there. And then...
Oh, maybe I'm going to convert you to blend tech.
I don't think so. Vitamix for life.
Does yours have measuring on it?
It does. It does.
Okay.
Yeah. And just put in the bananas. Oh.
How much bananas?
Well, it depends how hungry you are. Usually I'll put in about 3 bananas or... Well, if it's a snack, like 3 bananas. Yeah, just depends how hungry you are and how much other stuff you're going to put in. And then I usually use about a tablespoon of peanut butter or whatever butter we're using. So I'll just drop that in there. Maybe get in there. Maybe a little more since there's 2 of us. We're going to have to share. Okay. And then you don't have to put in protein powder, but I like the way protein powder tastes. I feel like it gives it sort of like a cake batter texture and flavor to it, kind of thickens it up and just, I don't know, I think it tastes better with it.
It would probably lower the glycemic index of the smoothie bowl too,
yeah,
right?
It would.
There'd be a lot of sugar in the
fruit, which is good, but like also the protein will keep you satisfied for a bit longer. If you find that fruit just kind of like moves through you really quickly and then you're hungry again. So this will keep you full longer. Okay, so I don't know how to use the blend tech, so I'm going to get you to press the button.
Maybe there's a smoothie bowl. Okay, so we want it sort of more, so whole foods, light juice, whole juice, frozen fruit, yogurt. So that would be a good setting. See, we have settings on the blend.
Yeah, it's too complicated for me. I just want to turn it on and blend. All right, so now we've got the base all blended, and you can pour it into your bowl. Didn't do that very evenly.
That's okay. That smells really good.
I know, totally tastes, it smells like cake batter. That's always what I
Yeah, it does smell
think,
like cake
right?
batter. It does.
That's why I love that protein powder. It's so good. Okay, so I'm going to give you the big bowl.
No, I'll have the small one.
Okay.
I don't usually eat bananas, actually.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. So here are your berries. So now you can just decorate it how you want. I usually just plunk it in and just like let it kind of like melt around with the bananas. So just stick it in, just like that. And then my favorite toppings to add are the buckwheat, and for me, the cacao nibs, but you have carob there?
I have carob, yeah.
Yeah.
So the banana is also because of migraine. So I have carob also because of migraine. So, yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and just sprinkle some on there for yourself.
How much do you put on?
As much as you want.
It looks so good. You can totally see they're sprouted.
I just sprouted these, I just finished drying them this morning, so they're just fresh out of the dehydrator. Yeah.
Nice.
And then, you can add some, if you like little chunks of chocolate, which who doesn't like chocolate? You can add some chocolate. So I just like to use cacao nibs because they're the most kind of like unprocessed version of chocolate chips.
So, and if you can't have
Making a
chocolate,
mess.
that's why I'm adding
Cacao or
Carob.
carob. Okay. Yeah, for people who are really sensitive to stimulants, there's caffeine in cacao, so maybe that would be a better choice. And that's it. I think it looks pretty good.
Looks so healthy and yummy.
Okay, time for the best part of the video, in my opinion. Taste test.
Yes.
I'm gonna let you try it first, since
Okay.
I know what this
You know
tastes
what
like.
this tastes like.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm curious if it tastes peanut buttery. Tastes more like cake batter.
Yeah.
I like that. I like how the berries are sour and the
sweet,
and
yeah.
the sweet and the sour, and then the bitter of the chocolate. Good taste mix.
I love frozen berries.
And the sprouted buckwheat. Nice crispiness.
You know what? We could have added more nut butter to this,
Yeah.
but I can taste like a hint of it. If you want it to
Not
be
very strong.
stronger,
Yeah.
I would add a couple tablespoons. But
You can play around with that. I could sit here and eat this all day.
it's like, you know what, I love this because it's like, it tastes like dessert and it tastes like something like a treat, right? But it's like, it's completely healthy, and I love eating this way because I can just eat something that's so like decadent and like dessert like for lunch or for breakfast or for dinner, and you don't feel guilty about it at all
This would be a good thing because it's back to school time to make for your kids before they go to school.
Totally. Yeah, it'd be a great breakfast for your kids.
And because it looks so visually appealing too.
Oh yeah, what kid wouldn't like that? It
Right.
looks gorgeous, right?
Yeah, I think that helps when you're making food for your kids. I used to get a lot of questions about that, about what to,
Oh really?
Yeah, make my kid for school.
Yeah, kids are all about presentation, right? Yeah.
And they could even, if you made them the base and put out a few toppings, then
Let them top it themselves.
then
That would be
yeah.
awesome. Yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Definitely go over and check out Christine's channel. We'll put a link below so you can go and check it out because you make lots of food on your channel.
I've got lots of recipes